Hi, I'm Nikki from Fine & Country and I'm here with your market update for March. March marks 2 years since the unprecedented announcement of nationwide lockdowns due to the arrival of COVID-19 in the UK. We are now starting to see the final restrictions lift as we adapt to living with COVID. And just as it did in the wake of the global financial crisis, the housing market has yet again proved its resilience. According to Land Registry, the average price of a property in the UK has increased by £40,000 since the start of the pandemic, and properties in the prime market increasing up to £180,000. The UK economy grew by 7.5% over the course of 2021 and is tracking back to its pre-pandemic levels. However, we obviously can't ignore the fact that global conflict is placing pressure on inflation, with fuel prices reaching new records and therefore affecting consumer confidence. GFG have noted that it's been at its lowest in 13 months. But the housing market has continued to flourish, with sales volumes in January remaining higher than previous years, excluding 2021. After months of low stock, there are signs that the volume of new properties to the market is starting to increase. Rightmove has reported new listings are up 11% year on year, and the requests for valuations are still rising. It still firmly remains a seller's market, with buyer demand remaining high. A third of available properties are selling for over their initial asking price. Although the percentage change in the average price has started to come down, it is still nearly 10% up when compared to the previous 12 months. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch.